In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in ClickUp to optimize your workflow. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool, and understanding how to group tasks can help you and your team work more efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website by typing in appclickup.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. However, if not, just find the login button usually prominently displayed on the home page and click on it. Enter your email and password to access your account, and soon you'll be in your ClickUp dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. You want to locate the list feature. Click on it to open the screen where all of your tasks are displayed in a list format. This view is where we will focus on organizing and grouping tasks, so it's an important starting point. Once you're in the list view, look for the group feature on the top part of the task list window. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu offering various options for how you can group your tasks. This is the stage where you have the opportunity to decide the criteria for how your tasks should be displayed together. By default, tasks are often grouped by the space, but we're going to change that to better suit our needs. In the drop-down menu, you can select from several options like assignee, priority, or status, depending on what you think is the most effective way to organize your tasks. Let's start with grouping by assignee. This helps if you want to see what each team member is working on. To do that, simply click on the assignee option in the drop-down. Your tasks will then rearrange themselves by the team members they are assigned to. Next, to give priority to tasks, you can group them by priority. After grouping by assignee, go back to the group drop-down and choose priority this time. This helps in identifying the most urgent tasks at a glance, ensuring that the essential tasks are tackled first. Another useful grouping option is by status. This option lets you view tasks based on their current stage, whether they are in progress, complete, or pending, for example. Click on status in the drop-down to arrange your task accordingly. Finally, you may want to decide on the order in which the grouped tasks appear. At the top of the list, you can choose between ascending and descending order to fit your preference. By clicking the descending option, you can change the order of how the tasks are displayed. This choice can affect how easily you identify high priority tasks or the tasks assigned most recently depending on how you've grouped them. That's it for today's tutorial on grouping tasks in ClickUp. By following these steps, you can significantly boost your productivity and keep your team aligned by organizing tasks in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.